This is your captain speaking. Exciting day here at the 3:30 as my friends at Zesties have sent me a package. Look at this. Address to the Captain Midnight. The 3:30 right there, baby. We're going to open this up. I'm going to unbox this thing. And I have a feeling I know what it is because they know the captain's getting ready to go to Tampa. They're thrilled for the captain. And I'm thrilled to be part of the Zesties team. Remember, go to zestiesinc.com. You can look like the captain every day of your life. Promo code Midnight10. So let's open this thing up here. Let's see if I can get this set. Yes. Okay. Let's see what we got going here. Ha. Boy, oh boy. Oh, this is looking good, gang. This is looking real good. This is amazing. You know, they said they could send me maybe a romper, but this is a whole fleet. My God. Yes, in heaven. Yes, in heaven. Look at this. Wow. Outstanding. Look at the colors. Look at the designs here. Beautiful, tropical, lovely, beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay. We've got another. Oh, my God. Look at this. Just perfect for my decor. We've got the, this is the dad romper. This is the dad romper. Look at this. You got the party up top, the classy shorts on the bottom, all one piece. Outstanding. Outstanding. Oh, the pineapples, fresh to death, as they say. I'm hip. We've got, oh my God, look at this. It's a party all the time when you're wearing Zesties. You ever want to feel in a good mood, you in a bad mood, you put on your romper, your men's romper from Zesties, and you're going to feel like you're having the time of your life. I love that. Guys, Zesties, you guys, I literally thought you were sending me one romper maybe, just to be cool and nice. This is a whole fleet. My God, okay, we've got, oh, I like this. I like this one, El Tigre. Digging that. The captain's all about that tiger blood, baby, yeah. Oh, the American, I am a true patriot. The American romper right there, buddy. Perfect, outstanding. Even matches Little Nate's tights. And we got, okay, I like this. Look at this. Wow. And finally, oh yeah, the Gay Raff one. I love it. Remember, folks, zestiesinc.com, promo code Midnight10. That is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fresh new rompers. That's how much they love the captain. And I love you, Zesties. You guys are the bomb diggity. I'm stunned. I am stunned by this. Christmas Day for the captain every day, man. Hey, and remember, when the yachts are rocking, the captain's done talking. And you too can rock any yacht. I mean, I'm telling you, you put this thing on and combine it with one of my great hats, hit me up for details on those, you're going to get laid more than you ever have in your life, pal. Let's work together, Zesties, Captain Midnight and you. A formidable team and a team to make your dreams come true. Let's rock the yacht.